everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Tractor Supply credit card account. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in Tractor Supply credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. On the next page, where all of the search results are displayed according to your search, click on this first link that says Tractor Supply Company Credit Card Login or Apply. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page over here. Simply go ahead and enter your user ID and your password that is associated with your Tractor Supply account. Type in your user ID where it says user ID. Make sure to type in the information correct. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, you can check this box where it says remember my user ID. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked before moving on to the next step. The next step is to go ahead and type in your password. Make sure to type in the information correct again. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can click on this Retrieve User ID link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password and you don't know what to do next, click on the Reset Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you're done typing in your information and you're ready to log in, click on the Sign On button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your Tractor Supply credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.